Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to run Grafana. Now, the first thing I want you to do is come here to grafana.com, then click on a download, okay? You'll be on this page. From here, click on OSS, and then you can choose which one you want. So we'll just select your Grafana, click on download, and you'll be redirected to this page. From here, just choose the version, and you can choose the edition. So I'll choose Enterprise. You can, of course, run the free version on Enterprise. And now here you choose your operating system. So here I'll choose Windows and I'll download the 64-bit installer. You could choose to get the zip file to get the standalone binaries. Then here just go ahead and click on download. And then I want you to just run the file you have downloaded. So there we go. It is preparing it to install. And then here just click on next, agree to the terms, click on next again. And then I want you to just click here on next. So this will be the location will be stored. Then click on install. Now the installation process has begun. When you're prompted for permission by Windows, just go ahead and click on yes. Once this is done, just click here on finish to exit the setup wizard. Then I want you to press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open up the run dialog. And then just type in services.msc in this dialog. Click on OK. And once this opens up, I want you to just scroll down until you find Grafana. Okay? So look for Grafana right here and make sure that it is running. So if it's not running, just right click and then click on start. And if it's not running correctly, you can just go ahead and restart it as well. So there we go. Windows is attempting to restart this on a local computer. And now I just want you to go to your browser and go ahead and type in this URL, okay? Exactly as it is. And this will bring you to Grafana and we'll have a login page. I'll give you the default username and password. So it's very easy. It's just admin. And then password is admin as well. Click on login and there you go. You'll be logged in. You can choose to update your password if you would like, or you can just click here on skip and just continue using the default password. There we go. I'll click here on submit. Password has been changed. And now we are going to go to the dashboard, as you can see. So that is how you run Grafana in Windows.